In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Payroll. Zoho Payroll is a dedicated payroll service designed to simplify and streamline your payroll process, helping you manage employee salaries effortlessly. Let's explore the different sections and understand how you can make the most out of this tool. First, let's familiarize ourselves with the dashboard. When you log into Zoho Payroll, you're greeted with a comprehensive overview. Here, you'll find sections like Employees, Pay Runs, Revisions Approval, Loans, Giving, Documents, Reports, and Settings. Each section serves a unique purpose, and together, they offer a complete payroll solution. Starting with Employees, this section is where you can view and manage your list of employees. You can add new team members or update existing info, making it a convenient space for managing employment details. Regularly updating this section ensures your payroll runs are accurate and reflective of any staff changes. Next, we have Pay Runs. This section is crucial as it handles the actual processing of payroll. You can initiate pay runs here, ensuring employees are paid accurately and on time. Once you initiate a pay run, Zoho Payroll will automatically calculate salaries, including taxes and deductions. It simplifies your payroll process and reduces the potential for manual errors. After you've dealt with pay runs, let's visit Revisions Approval. This area is dedicated to reviewing and approving any adjustments made to employee pay. It could include changes in salary, bonuses, or deductions. Approving revisions is an essential step to ensure that all changes are verified before payroll processing. The Loans section allows you to manage any employee loans disbursed by the company. You can track loan amounts, repayment schedules, and outstanding balances. This feature keeps your records organized and provides transparency for both you and your employees. Then there's Giving, which refers to deductions like charitable contributions or other payments that employees have opted to make from their salaries. Managing these deductions here allows you to make payroll adjustments automatically, catering to individual employee preferences easily. Now, on to Documents. This section facilitates the storage and sharing of essential payroll documents, such as pay slips and tax filings. Having all your documents organized in one place makes it easier to manage and access them when needed. The Reports section is a powerful feature that generates various payroll-related reports, providing valuable insights into your company's payroll activities. You can customize reports to analyze data, track spending, and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, aiding in informed decision-making. Finally, the Settings section is where you customize Zoho Payroll according to your company's specific needs. You can set up integrations, configure tax settings, adjust company details, and personalize your payroll system, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your business requirements. By understanding and utilizing these features effectively, Zoho Payroll becomes more than just a payroll system. It becomes an integral part of your HR and accounting processes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you maximize your use of Zoho Payroll.